How to learn a new skill. Mastering a new skill, a practical guide to effective learning by Riaz Gillani. Introduction. Learning a new skill can be a rewarding yet challenging endeavor. Whether it's acquiring a language, mastering an instrument, or delving into a new field of expertise, the process of learning involves more than just repetition. This essay explores the fundamental steps and strategies to effectively learn a new skill, providing readers with practical insights they can apply to their own learning journeys. Mastering a new skill. Questions. 1. What are the key steps to effectively learn a new skill? 2. How can one overcome common challenges associated with learning a new skill? 3. What role does consistency play in the learning process? 4. How can individuals stay motivated throughout the learning journey? Answers. To embark on a successful learning journey, the following steps are crucial. 1. Set clear goals. Question. How can one start the learning process effectively? Answer. Begin by setting clear and achievable goals. Define what you want to accomplish with a new skill and break it down into smaller, manageable objectives. This provides a roadmap for your learning journey. 2. Develop a structured plan. Question. What role does planning play in the learning process? Answer. Having a well-structured plan is essential. Divide your learning into manageable chunks, creating a schedule that accommodates your daily routine. A systematic approach prevents overwhelm and ensures steady progress. 3. Utilize varied learning resources. Question. How can one enhance the learning experience? Answer. Explore diverse learning resources, such as books, online courses, and interactive platforms. Combining different methods caters to various learning styles, making the process more engaging and effective. 4. Practice regularly. Question. What is the significance of regular practice? Answer. Consistency is key to mastering any skill. Regular, focused practice reinforces learning and helps to develop muscle memory. Establish a routine that allows for consistent practice, gradually building proficiency over time. 5. Seek constructive feedback. Question. How can one identify areas for improvement? Answer. Solicit feedback from peers, mentors, or instructors. Constructive criticism provides valuable insights, helping you identify areas for improvement and refine your approach to learning. 6. Stay persistent in the face of challenges. Question. How can one overcome obstacles in the learning process? Answer. Challenges are inevitable, but persistence is crucial. Embrace setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow. Stay focused on your goals, adapt your strategies when necessary, and persevere through difficulties. 7. Stay motivated.